How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Pete's Carport. So this is going to be a little bit of a different type of episode, more of a vlog. I'm actually on my way right now to pick up Zay. We're going to go pick up the red SC. We're going to get the green SC working, and we're going to do some other things, so stay tight. So just arrived to pick up Zay. Wanted to catch this on film. Now, of course, one of my rims had a messed up tire, so yesterday I had to throw the spare on. Kind of cool, they put a full-size spare with the exact rim that goes stock on the car. So that's my S500, Zay's S500 with the rotoform rims, which I absolutely love. I actually painted this spoiler for him because it was peeling. Came out pretty good. And then we've got the V12 s600. So W140's lined up right now. I'm gonna fill you guys in. This may end up on the channel very, very soon. Me and Zay are working out a deal. He really wants to drive that SC300, so we just picked up a battery. We're gonna go down, mess around with it, get it fully working for him to daily drive. On this episode, we're going to be picking up the red SC that I showed you guys, and that may become my daily. So it looks like we might have two 2JZs running side by side on this channel, and we're going to be turboing one and naturally aspirating one is kind of what we thought about. And then I'm going to be bringing this thing over to the shop, and we're going to be doing a lot to this. So pretty cool. Stay tuned, man. It's going to be a great one. So we're back at the red SC. Just picked up a new battery. It's kind of cool. The car had a Walmart battery in it that was completely drained, and I went down to Walmart. They swapped it out for free. So hopefully that's going to get it started. I'm going to go ahead and jump in the car. Zay is going to record it. Hopefully it just fires right up.
All right.
Got it.
Ooh.
Good. We got some gas in there too. So the guys over here said they changed out the fuel relay, and they were getting ready to change out the fuel pump, but they got it to start with the fuel relay. So hopefully we can get it back to the shop. It's not far down the road. So we're gonna head over there now, and then we're gonna work on the green SC. Boom. Man, oh man, it does not get more eventful than this. I wish I could have recorded for you guys. So we pulled out of the dealership with the red SC, and basically it broke down maybe a couple hundred yards away. Finally got her started back up, got her down to the light. She goes to stall. We take the turn, and there's a group of undercover cops busting a whole bunch of people, and we literally had to pull right in front of them and look like we were a part of the entire thing. So it gets better from there. Zay calls a tow truck company. They're maybe 30 minutes out. I'm trying to start it. The shifter breaks. All right, guys. So the shifter breaks. And, yeah, I had to jam a screwdriver down in there. Finally got it to go into gear. She starts up, thinking she's going to die out because we had no side road. It was kind of unreal. We're going down this back road. There's nothing on the side, so you basically break down, you're in the road. We're 4 miles away. We make it 3.5 miles back, literally on the main road out over here, and she dies. And I kept starting her, she kept dying, I kept starting her, kept dying. Finally got her started up while pushing the car, jumped in, pulled in, and she dies. So, definitely something to do with the fuel system, either fuel pump, fuel filter, spark plugs, something along those lines. Obviously it's fuel not getting to it because it's sputtering out. But next project today, after that just took 2 hours, is to get this one running so that Zay can take it as his daily driver, pull this one into this spot, and just tear this car down, because right now it does have a water leak. Oh, and by the way, we got it for $1,000. The gentleman knew the fuel pump was going because we tried to start it, it stalled, and he ordered a new fuel pump, and we told him, don't put it in, we'll take it for $1,000. Finally, after a few days of negotiating, he said, come and get it. And I came down, was able to start it right up, so we took the risk. So it was a fun day. So, all right, guys, so next we're gonna be moving on to Zay's new daily driver, the original SC300 we bought on this channel, the green one owner. This car starts and drives great. The battery was dead, so we had to pick that up. We have a bubble in the front tire, and that's it. We're gonna swap that out, and he's gonna be able to drive this. So we're gonna get started on that, and I'll be updating you guys. All right, guys, like I said, this is gonna be way more vlog series type video. Not the typical, this is how you do this is how you do that. We're busting our asses, man. It's like 90 degrees, probably 95 almost out here in Florida. And so we pulled the green SC, which is looking so good, man. This is gonna polish up. Zay's gonna take it down to his guy, get this thing detailed. We'll get some photos. He's gonna throw some really nice rims. If you don't know, he works for a rim company, so he's gonna be able to get the hookup on some really nice tires and rims. But for now, we got a bubble in that front one. We pulled out the spare, probably never been thrown on this car, so probably not the safest tire, but it's a Bridgestone Potenza. So I love these cars. I mean, I just put the spare for my BENZ on there, and I think that's a Michelin. You know, they always put the top end tires. They give you a full-size spare. Even Mercedes, they give you the exact rim that you have on your car, so you don't look like an idiot rolling down the road. We're gonna go ahead and throw this on, and yeah, we're probably going to finish this up. We're gonna take it around the block. Might end this video up. We were gonna try to chop this sucker down. There's another video coming where we're gonna break this thing down, bring it to the scrap yard, see what we can get in metal, teach you guys how to do that. We've never done it, so we're just gonna teach you what we find out. And then this thing is gonna be painted with the truck bed liner. Hopefully this weekend we got it all prepped up. So stay tuned, guys. We'll get this tire on. I'll do some updates for you, and then should probably call it a day. Guys, today's been a day of funky tires. Check this out. Hopefully you guys can see it in the video. I mean, it's basically, let's see if we can see that angle. It's basically flat on one side and bubbled on the other. You think that's bad? Let me show you the one I was doing 80 on the highway and getting a crazy vibration. So finally I said, you know, I need to pull over. I was up on the Selman Expressway, which you can't really pull over much on, so I decided to go until I got to the end. And check this out. This is how my BENZ tire looked. I don't think I've ever seen a tire like that, and if it did, it probably blew up momentarily after. So very lucky. Pulled over, threw the spare on, which looks like a brand new rim that just came out the factory, and I like the way it looks. I might go back to these factory rims. I am going to replace this tire. I love those AMG rims. So Lexus is getting put back on. We got the jacked up tire on that, and I forgot to mention the other SC300 has a jacked up tire on the front too. So it's been one of those days. We might have to pull the spare out of there. This thing's starting up and idling perfect. The only issue we're having right now is the shifter is not wanting to go into gear, and I've been playing around with the lock safety on it, and that's still not, I mean, it's not even, nothing's functioning right. So I got to wiggle, tap, and it finally goes into gear, and I know I've dealt with that before. Sometimes people spill soda down into the shifters. You can see that I've got a screwdriver jammed down in there. People mess around, spill stuff down in there, water gets down in there, shorts shit out. You know, you have to go back down in there and clean everything down with electrical cleaner. Sometimes you got a fuse that blows. So Zay's putting the tire on. Hey guys, I'm gonna call it a day. We had a hell of a day today. We got 2 SC300's in the group. This one's gonna be mine. I'm going for the naturally aspirated, hopefully 350, 400 horsepower tune. Zay wants to go full turbo. We found some turbo accessories kits. He's got some friends doing it. And this one's clean, man. I can't tell you. I mean, the video does not do justice on how clean this car is. Like we said earlier, it was original owner. We've got almost everything working on it. The battery was dead, so a lot of shit was not working, like the radio and stuff. So call it a day, guys. You guys have an awesome day. We got W140's and SC300, 2 JZs coming to the channel for quite some time. We're going to get rid of these Civics here, make some money on them so we can keep doing stuff for you guys. Have a blessed day. Thanks again. I'm Pete. Like, subscribe, and share if you got to see these cars on the channel.